Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CONX token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, CONX culture equal to connects. It is next generation layer 1 cultural fintech mainnet that bridges web 2 and web 3, connecting culture, finance and technology into one trusted digital ecosystem. Designed for the AI and tokenized assets era, COINEX integrates real-world asset RWA, security token STO, AI-generated content AIGC, and intellectual property IP within a compliance-ready architecture that enables institutions, creators, and investors to participate safely in the digital economy. Through the CONX Pulse platform, users can issue, tokenize, and trade real-world assets transparently on-chain, while Vault Origin, Nest, and Arena provide comprehensive infrastructure for digital assets management, IP registration, AI-powered creation, and creator-driven economics, built on the foundation of trust, interoperability, and regulation-aligned governance. CONX connect TradeFi and DFI, enabling seamless capital movement across border and industries. CONX project institution rating is 4.4. CONX token total supply is 1.99 billion and circulating supply is around 944.75 million XPLA token. XPLA token is listed on gate.io, crypto.com, Bitham, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.